Hello, and welcome to this video on the GeoCubes Finland QGIS plugin. If you're not yet familiar with GeoCubes Finland, we recommend checking out our introduction video linked in the description. Without further ado, let's get started with the tutorial. You can install the QGIS plugin through the GitHub repository, which is linked in the video description. On the repository, click Code, then select Download Zip. Next, switch over to QGIS. In QGIS, go to the top menu and click Plugins, then Manage and Install Plugins. In the window that opens, navigate to the Install from Zip tab. Click the three dots and find the plugin file you downloaded from GitHub. Then press the Install Plugin button. Once you've installed the GeoCubes plugin, you can access it from the Plugins menu at the top or via the GeoCubes button in the toolbar. After opening the plugin, set your project CRS to match the GeoCubes Finland data. You can view the list of available datasets by clicking Fetch Data Layers. Each dataset and year is listed on its own row. The table also shows the smallest available raster cell size for the datasets. You can select the datasets you want to download by ticking them in the table. If you would like to preview the datasets before making your selection, click Explore Data. In this window, you can choose the dataset to explore and the background map, whose visibility you can adjust. By using the Attribute Info tool button, you can inspect the values of clicked raster cells. In the Extent and Resolution tab, you can define your area of interest. For example, let's choose the regional division and select the Lapland region. You can either choose the resolution by yourself or use the recommended cell size. The plugin now recommends a 1 kilometer resolution since Lapland is a large area and retrieving high-resolution data could take a long time. At the bottom of the window, you can adjust download settings. For now, let's stick with the default settings. To bring the data into your workspace, click Get Data. Now the dataset is in the workspace, ready to be processed. Easy, right? Thank you for watching the video, and we hope you find the GeoCubes Finland services useful. You can find more videos and information about GeoCubes Finland in the description. Bye, and see you next time.